All right, welcome to 247hotspots.com. That's hotspots with a Z. 247 HOTSPOTZ.com. 247hotspots.com website and company was organized and founded in 2017 in Manhattan, Kansas, the United States of America. However, we are able to do business around the world with this technology. Therefore, I'm looking to work with people around the world, of course. And I wish to teach people just like me around the world how to make HiFi-WiFi clouds and, internet networks. Free HiFi-WiFi, of course, would be the most ideal, although customers do not have to opt in to share any of their bandwidth with these devices in our network and our clouds. However, I strongly encourage it because, as we will see, we're going to get into the 247 vision, or visions, I should say, because we have a lot of big ideas and a lot of big visions. And I understand the website's wordy. I really do. There's a lot of words, walls of words. However, those words are very important words. And I want people that are interested in joining my cloud and my network, and our cloud and our network, because it's a co-op. Understand, it's an internet co-op. A Wi-Fi co-op is what we've created and what we're creating. What our technology does is split and share unused bandwidth for residential internet customers, mostly. There are commercial applications, and there are people doing that as well. However, my focus is on the residential. All right? Our focus is on the residential. The residential household, the average household, average consumer. Okay? All right. So this is lesson 1. And so lesson 1, let's easily begin in lesson 1 with the visions and the vision statements of the organization, because if you're not going to gel with the vision statements, then you're not going to gel with our organization. Okay? So it's important on lesson 1 to get this out of the way. So here we are on the first page, visions, 247 visions. And our visions are to provide 247hotspots.com members and our end users a free, faster, stronger, more secure, more economical, more accessible, more efficient, and overall better than average Wi-Fi experience. Next, to provide 247hotspots.com users enhanced free Wi-Fi experiences through optional premium service upgrades, through partnerships with other local organizations and new business sponsors, thus providing all network principals and participants premium added values. I don't know about that one. I'm going to have to rewrite that one. It's not that important. So, to naturally and organically encourage, support, and facilitate functional net neutrality. This is the important one, guys. Take notes. Get your pens out. I'll read it again. To naturally and organically encourage, support, and facilitate functional net neutrality by supporting, of course, free speech and fair trade on the internet via the sales and installations of our state-of-the-art proprietary technologies as sold at 247hotspots with a Z.com. And what we sell, the technologies we sell, we concentrate. This is our little box right here. Okay, this little box. Don't let it deceive you. This box is a smart box, smarter than anything I've ever seen before. I could talk for days about this box. I've had 6 months, 7 months now experience with these boxes, and I cannot even begin to tell you how cool they are and how deceiving they are. Of course, it's a little box, but this little box does a lot, and it will blow your mind. But this is what creates the HiFi-WiFi networks, our clouds, Cloud 9, 247 hotspots, HiFi-WiFi clouds, etc., etc. And it's very simple. There's some Ethernet ports on there. I don't know if you can see that or not. 2 Ethernet ports, a plug-in, and an antenna. All right, and that's the front. Very, very simple, very small. Business in a box, kids. Business in a box right there. we'll talk more about the box and the functionalities of the box later. Let's get through the first lesson here of 24/7 hotspots visions, or 24/7 visions. Of course, I hope that you picked up on the 247, that it's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our cloud is up and running because people depend on us. People depend on us because we provide a valuable service, free HiFi-WiFi. Okay? So it's very important that we're dependable, we're reputable, that our utilities are paid, that the lights stay on, the electric stays on, and if you're a gateway host, of course, that your internet stays on as well. All right, the last one here, and we're going to close it out. To connect consumers and businesses via free community HiFi-WiFi access in order to encourage others to help build a free local HiFi-WiFi network or cloud in their individual neighborhoods, with a vision of ultimately creating a truly free global internet HiFi-WiFi network. Think about that. This is the big one. This is the big idea, to connect consumers and businesses via free community HiFi-WiFi access in order to encourage others to help build a free local HiFi-WiFi network or cloud in their individual neighborhoods. One neighborhood at a time, one block at a time, one house at a time, with a vision of ultimately creating a truly free global internet HiFi-WiFi network. And we'll come back to that because I'm thinking about the box again. Okay, I'll blow your mind real quick. I'll blow your mind just this once real quick. Okay, it's a sneak peek. This box here in Manhattan, Kansas, I got these here in Manhattan, Kansas, where I've started my organization and my hotspots, and I get hotspots, and I hook people up. I build clouds for them, and we connect together, one block at a time. So the cool thing is, if you go to Kansas City, and our boxes are, our networks are running on these boxes, it's going, your device is recognized here already on our cloud, just from one login. And what's mind-blowing is that your device can be recognized by this technology if it's in Kansas City, if it's in Cleveland, Ohio, Los Angeles, California. Are you starting to track with me? Okay? All right, let's just leave it right there. New York, whatever. But the networks will recognize your devices and say, oh, hello, you. We know you. Or we don't know you, but we got your serial number and you're already authorized and you've already paid. And so here, jump on, no worries. You get the HiFi-WiFi that you paid for, or that you get for free, either or. And what's the difference between the free and the paid? Well, I'm glad you asked. The free is a basic speed, download upload speed that's throttled to about 5 kilobytes per second or more. I have mine actually up because I'm not losing anything, and I like to help these students here do their thing the way they want to do it. And I know they don't have the money to pay 99 cents a day, and if they did, well, they probably would. But I'll tell you about that later. But okay, so the free is an open. Okay, it's open, so it's unsecured. Passwords, sensitive information, credit cards, not suggested for the open network. Okay, that's the free one, the basic speed free one. The upgrade to optional, of course, is, at least here right now, I'm running a promotion that's 99 cents a day. That runs about $30 a month per user, which if your average internet utility bill is a monthly bill of $110, and you can only pay, now you can get away with paying $30 because we're co-oping and sharing bandwidth, unused bandwidth. Well, that's going to be a savings of about $80 a month. Say it again, $80 a month. Now you can begin to do the math, right? I've done the math. I forgot what it is, but it's over $800, more than $800, $900. Anyway, do the math. It starts adding up really quick. And so the more people you have in your co-op, the more hotspot hosts you have connected, to the internet with your gateways. And the more, repeaters you have, the better off everybody's going to be. Okay, so I encourage you to go ahead and read through the rest of the website if you want. I'm not doing any more lessons tonight. I just want to get this one out of the way because I need to get started on this one, on this project here. I mean, I've been working on this project for 6 months, and I did beta tests for 6 months. 6 months of beta tests using all the analytical stuff I could do. Focus groups with all my users, and I have 6 months worth of data that has given me greater confidence in this project than I even had before. And I'll tell you more stories, some more anecdotal stories about how good this HiFi-WiFi service is. How good, you'll never ever you won't understand how you ever lived with panoramic Wi-Fi or basic Wi-Fi. You'll never get it because this is no more buffering, no more drops, no more dead zones, no dead spots or whatever. This is really good stuff. Or I wouldn't be here wasting my time, because this isn't a waste of time. This is very valuable, and that's why I'm going to go lesson by lesson by lesson. And at the end of the lessons, if you're so interested, you're going to have to also pay attention. Okay, you're going to have to agree to a couple of basic, reasonable terms. And you're going to have to be knowledgeable. I don't want to work with people that don't know what they're doing. Okay? I want people that are knowledgeable in the lingo of the, of the biz, of the industry, know what a VLAN is and what a Wi-Fi, all that stuff, Know the language, because it's important. Building free hotspots for your community is probably about the most important thing I think a person could do with their time right now. Or their extra time right now, and it'll pay too. Of course, it's going to pay. It's a very rewarding job to make free HiFi-WiFi clouds and networks for people. It's very rewarding, but it also can, pay you some money and a little bit of income here. I'm not promising a lot, but one day at a time. All right. So that's the lesson for today. 24/7 visions. Read through them. I'm going to rewrite some of these things. I haven't revisited this since probably I wrote this in July or August. And I know it's wordy, guys. I get it. It's wordy, but it's important. The words are important. Please go through it. Please understand what we're trying to do with our organization and with 24/7 hotspots, all right? And with the clouds, okay? Because this is an internet revolution. I've told everybody last year, they're like, "What are you doing down there, doing your surveys and stuff?" I said, "I'm revolutionizing the internet." And I meant every word of it, and I still mean every word of it. And if you'd like to be part of the revolution, if you'd like to join my battalion or cadre or organization here, to be part of the internet revolution for free HiFi-WiFi, well, do your homework. Do your homework and then get to me. And we'll see how we can work together to make this happen for you, and for your neighbors, for your community, from here to infinity. Fair enough? Fair enough? All right. Oh, all right, guys. Thanks. Bye. 13 minutes and 46 seconds.